Hi, this is Pete Singer with Semiconductor Digest, and I'm here live at SEMICON West in Moscone 2021, and I'm talking to Aaron Hineman with PerkinElmer, and they've got some interesting new materials here at the show. Aaron, can you tell us what's going on?
Yeah, thanks, Pete. My name is Aaron Hineman, the inorganic product line leader for PerkinElmer. And at today's show, for the first time for Semiconductor Industry, PerkinElmer is launching the Nexion 5000 inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometer. So one of the newer mass spectrometers in our series, in our lineup of ICP-MS.
And I understand you've got quite a lineup of different analytical tools, spectrometers, chromatographers.
Yeah, PerkinElmer is a technology company, and the division of analytical instruments is which I work in, and we support the semiconductor industry across a variety of analytical challenges. And so we have mass spectrometers, in both inorganic mass spectrometers and organic mass spectrometers, as well as elemental testing and other spectrometers as well.
Okay. And could you explain a little bit about how these would be used in the semiconductor industry, in the fab or in the lab?
So these instruments are actually used all throughout the supply chain, from the mining, getting the materials, purifying, refining the materials. And once we get into the semiconductor industry, from wafer testing, looking at purity, the chemicals that are used. So we look at the purity of the chemicals, we look at the impurities within these chemicals as well. And so they're used all throughout the fab, and then final QA/QC testing as well.
And I understand there are a lot of new materials being introduced into the industry right now, kind of everything on the periodic table almost. Are you seeing that as well on your end?
Yeah. So maybe 20 years ago, there was a very limited amount of analytes that we look at. That has expanded, and especially for the periodic table, as you said, we're looking at the almost entire periodic table now. So it's quite a bit of an expansion of testing. Okay.
And when people look at purities, it's not just dirt and defects. It's all kinds of metallic impurities and VOCs. What's the trend there? Are they looking to reduce that to 99999 levels?
Yep. The trend is lower and lower and lower. So we started off with like 5N, now we're at 6N, 7N, 8N, 9N, right. Sort of purity levels. And not only are we looking at the impurities that are homogeneous within these materials, sometimes there's the random impurities which are very transient. And so we're also looking at single particle metallic contamination as well with our ICP-MS. So okay. Nanoscale.
Okay, I see. Well, anything else new here at the show?
New at the show is, well, other than the ICP-MS, we have some new accessories for some of our other analytical instruments, like the UV system as well, and a new IR system that helps map wafers.
Good to talk to you today. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for coming.